Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change forward focus engine oil. First, gather your essential tools, including a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and 4 to 5 quarts of new engine oil. Next, safely lift the front of your vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly with jack stands. Finally, locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan and the oil filter, typically near the front of the engine. Now, let's drain the old oil. Place your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Using your 13mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out immediately. Allow the old engine oil to drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes to ensure all the old oil is out. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter, ensuring the drain pan is still underneath to catch any drips. Take your new oil filter and apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn with the wrench. Finally, let's add the fresh oil. First, securely reinstall the oil drain plug. Then, carefully lower your forward focus back to the ground. Open the oil filler cap and pour in 4 to 5 quarts of the recommended engine oil. Start the engine briefly, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.